Our 6.4 2008, fully built, single turbo, ARP head stud, fully deleted, tuned, custom intake, everything. We're gonna go check it out.
24 hours later.
This little air freshener right here could win me over $100,000 in a truck skid steer and trailer from Ownboss Supply Co. Tell me that's not amazing, boys. Oh wow, it smells good. It smells like some cologne. Girls will like that for sure. This will get me all the biddies now that I have the 6.4 too. Woo! Cannot wait. Let's fire this thing up. Oh, so wipers were on. People hate on these dashes. I think that's the best dash ever. Anyway, let's see if we can get up this hill. It's not gonna stop for a couple hours. Oh boy. My truck is gonna break down. I don't know how I'm gonna make it through the day, dude. Holy boys, what a storm. But yes, you thought we were driving the Cummins. Look at this thing, boys. She is covered. Covered. This thing is deep. Wow, why is she so frozen? Wow, this is some deep snow. I did not realize it was this deep already. Well, we're gonna fire this thing up, clear her off, do some boosted launches, eh? Perfect day for it.
Fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row. This is bad, boys. It is snowing like 2 inches a f***ing hour, maybe half hour. It has been pouring all day. We've been out here since 5 a.m. Shoveled the whole driveway by hand, took 2 hours. Cleared off the truck, both trucks, the Cummins and the 6.4. We got the Mercedes-Benz. Alrighty, boys. This is 4x4 boosted launches in a blizzard. We should totally do bedside sledding. Tow around the bedside with people in the back. Do some corners. Anyway, let's see if we can get up this hill. Look at this. A little bit of carnage on the ground, eh? They just call it fertilizing for the summer. What happens when something breaks? Logically, what happens when something breaks? We fix it. What happens when something gets fixed? It's usually better than it was before, right? It's a big hill. We don't want to fishtail into a tree. Yeah, hopefully. Oh, look at this. We should totally do bedside sledding. Anyway, let's see if we can get up this hill.
There's no going back now.
This is next. Duck.
Well, we left her here overnight, boys. She couldn't quite make it up the incline. Then we got like, I don't know, a few more inches of snow. But yeah, we did some boosted launches, tested out the 4-wheel drive, did some donuts. You know, the usual bird activities, as they say. Oh, what's this? A rattle can. Oh, you can't destroy that one, man. No, not the rattle can. Look at this paint. Literally immaculate. Beautiful. Stay tuned. Make sure you click the next video. We're gonna get this thing on out of here, whether we need a come along or the Cummins, but we're kind of down here in this pit. Got a good incline to get up. Could go that way. Mostly likely gonna go that way. Pretty decent incline. But yeah, 6'4". Wow, my eyes are bleeding from the snow. 6'4" recovery mission. Next episode. Awesome. Boys, nuts. The OGs have really been here from the beginning. I mean, I've had a couple videos that have done better than others, but there actually has been some people that I've met online, through Facebook, through doing deals, through doing the YouTube, companies, even companies. I've been really shocked. Really shocked. But yeah, I mean, I try to drum up business for myself, and I think I do a good job of that.